In the previous class, we learnt about a monitor as parts of the computer. Today we will be learning about the mouse. A mouse is an input device that is used to tell the computer what to do. It is a small object that can roll along a hard, flat surface. It is connected to the CPU with a wire. Mouse help to control cursor that is visible on the computer screen while moving the mouse on flat surface place. Its name was originated by its shape that look as mouse, because it has elliptical shape with mouse tail. Uses of mouse. Selection by left clicking or right clicking. With using mouse, users can select any images, text, any file, and folder. Drag. Mouse allows to users for moving any objects with the help of drag. Firstly select object, then can be move object while pressing the mouse button, and drop object where to place it. Scroll up and down. If you perform any activates on the enlarged document, then you need mouse's scroll button for doing up and down your document page. Program execution. With the help of mouse, users can execute many tasks such as open file, close folder, maximize minimize any windows. Playing game. With using mouse, users can play various games such as chase game, etc. Operate audio/video. Some special mouse have multimedia buttons for controlling the audio/videos such as do enhance/down volume level etc. In short, mouse reduces usability of a keyboard.